All right, let's look at this question. It says solve 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals 0 using completing the square method. The first thing, remember we said that completing the square method is rewriting the quadratic equation to be of this form. Now, the first thing we do in this place, since x squared has a coefficient, clear the coefficient of x squared, which is 2. Now divide both sides by 2. So from there, this is 2x squared over 2 minus 3x over 2 minus 5 over 2 equals 0. This and this will go off. So this, it becomes x squared minus 3 over 2x minus 5 over 2 equals 0. Now the next thing to do, take away this constant here, negative 5 over 2, bring it to the right hand side by adding 5 over 2 to both sides of the equation. So this becomes x squared minus 3 over 2x equals to 5 over 2. Now what does completing the square method says? After this, taking the constant to the right hand side, says half the coefficient of x, half it. How do I half it? By multiplying by 1 over 2. Half the coefficient of x, this negative 3 over 2. We can put it here, 3 over 2. Half it times 1 over 2. That will become negative 3 over 4. So half of the coefficient of this is negative 3 over 4. Square it and add to both sides of the equation. So this becomes x squared minus 3 over 2x. Square it and add to both sides of the equation. Negative 3 over 4 all squared is equals to 5 over 2 plus negative 3 over 4 all squared. Now we are coasting home, so bring this together. So this becomes x minus 3 over 4 all squared equals to, now 5 over 2, negative 3 squared is 9, because negative times negative, that will give us positive 9, over 4 squared, that's 16. So from here, we can look for the LCM or make this an equivalent fraction, 5 over 2, to have a denominator of 16. What will I multiply 2 by to give me 16? That's 8. So I multiply up and down here by 8. So this becomes x minus 3 over 4 raised to the power of 2 equals to, this is 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 9 over 16, which is equals to 49 over 16. We still have our x minus 3 over 4 squared. Now take the square root of both sides. So that will be x minus 3 over 4. Take the root, square root of this, so that will be plus or minus. So this is x minus 3 over 4 equals to plus or minus 7 over square root of 16, that's 4. So what we will do next, add 3 over 4 to both sides. So this becomes x equals to 3 over 4 plus or minus 7 over 4. So that means our x is equals to 3 plus 7 over 4, or our x is equals to 3 minus 7 over 4. 3 plus 7, that's 10. 10 over 4. We can use 2 to divide. 2 here 2, 2 here 5. That will give us 5 over 2. And the next one, 3 minus 7, that's negative 4. Negative 4 over 4, that's negative 1. So our x is equals to 5 over 2, or negative 1.